Hello friends, welcome back to our channel JS English Home. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 4 types of syllable in English. Now, let us start our video. Before that, if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you. Let us get into the video. Friends, in previous video, we already discussed what is a syllable and how to identify syllables in word. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the types of syllable from simple to complex. That means easy to difficult or known to unknown. For example, ONE1 is a word which is familiar, and whereas mono is unfamiliar. Friends, let us see the types of syllables. Generally, there are 4 types in syllable. They are 1-syllabic word, 2-syllabic word, 3-syllabic word, and more syllabic word. Now, let us discuss one by one. The very first one is 1-syllabic word. It is a word which contains only single syllable or 1 syllable. It is also known as monosyllable in English grammar. Here, mono means single or one. That means a word which is having only 1 syllable is called monosyllabic word. Friends, I hope you understand. Let us see examples. Guard, pen, bat, cup, etc. Friends, according to the previous video, we can find syllables through the vowel sound or through the pronunciation and through the conversion of the word into Telugu. See the example guard. If you observe this word, we can find only one vowel sound or one vowel letter. That is O. Whereas if you pronounce the word, we can get only one sound. That is God. Or if you convert the word into Telugu, God. Here also the same result. But here, as we all know, we should not consider the off letter. So, the word God is a word which is having only 1 syllable. So, this is a monosyllabic word. Friends, I hope you understand. Now let us see another one. That is 2-syllabic word. It is a word that possesses 1 more syllable or 2 syllables. And it can be considered as the disyllabic word in English grammar. Here, di means double or dual or 2. That means a word which is having 2 syllables is called disyllabic word. Let us see examples. Mother, doctor and teacher. Let us see the word mother. If you look at this word, you can find 2 syllables that are O and E. Or if you pronounce the word mother, you can get 2 sounds here that are ma, the. Whereas if you convert the word into Telugu, mother, you can get the syllables ma, the. That means 2 syllable. That means it is a disyllabic word which is having 2 syllable. Friends, I hope you understand. Let us have a look into the third one. that is three-syllabic word. It is a word which exists two more syllable or three syllables. It is also known as trisyllabic word in English grammar. Here, tri means triple or three. Means a word which is having three syllables is called a trisyllabic word in English grammar. Example: computer, beautiful. Friends, if you notice the word beautiful, you can find three syllables. But here is a note, that is, here even the first syllable having three vowels, these three are pronounced together one sound. So we can consider these three letters as one syllable. That means the word beautiful has three syllables, that are beautiful. Or if you pronounce the word beautiful, you can find three syllables again, that are beautiful. As I told before, you can clap every time you pronounce. That means beautiful. Whereas if you convert the word into Telugu, beautiful, you can get the same result. Friends, I hope you understand. Now let us see the last but not least, more syllabic word. It is a word which contains three more syllables or many syllables in a word, and it can be considered as polysyllabic word in English grammar. Here, poly means more or many. That means a word which is having more or many syllables is called polysyllable in English grammar. Let us see examples. Syllabification, astonishment. Here we can see the word syllabification. Friends, if you have a glance at this word, you can find more syllables, that are SYLLABIFICA and TION. Or if you pronounce the word syllabification, you can get sounds that are syllabification. Whereas if you convert the word into Telugu, you can get the same result. But here we should not consider the off letter L. That's it. Friends, this is about the types of syllable. Here I will offer few more examples for the practice purpose. Friends, I hope you do that. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you.